Welcome to Nightingales Class Assembly. This year we have been looking at a wide range of subjects. We would like to share what we have learnt with you.
In literacy, we have been looking at the famous poem, The Owl and the Sky, of Edward Lear.
We started by looking at words that rhyme.
Here are Jack and Fumi, with some explain. Dog, log, frog, bug, bat, cat, sit, hit.
Motivated by our rhyming ability, we wrote our own poems. Listen out for our amazing rhyming words. In drama, we have sports. The leopard and the cat went to sea in an adorable ruby red boat. They took some kittens and plenty of mittens wrapped up in a big green coat. In drama, we have brought the poem to life. Here is a sneak peek. The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a £5 note. The owl looked up to the star above and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely pussy, oh, pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are, you are. What a beautiful pussy you are. Pussy said to the owl, you eloquent fowl, how charming sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tarried, but what shall we do for a ring? If you want to find out what happens next, read the poem.
Recently, our school had an art exhibition.
Nightingales were up for the challenge. Our paintings were based on the work of the Russian painter Vasily Kandinsky. He was born in Russia and was one of the first people to paint abstract art. Abstract art is when you use shape and colour to represent something rather than an accurate drawing. Some of his most famous paintings are on food,
several circles on white too, and competition 7.
He said of all abstract paintings is the most difficult.
It's a monstrosity to mind well.
That you know good how that you are good at composition and how that composition and how I for colours. And that you be a true poet, this last is essential. Using his art as a primitive, we painted our own pictures. In computing, we have been looking at Scratch.
No, Cecily, not that kind of scratch.
Scratch is a computer program that we have been using to make a computer game.
We will show you some of what we have learnt already.
We have been making our own card games, and this is what it looks like. Uh-oh, there's a part missing. Danya, can you fix it, please? So she's putting the block in to make it move, and she's going to make it move backwards. That's why she's putting a minus in front of the number. Shall we see if it works, children?
Yes.
So, shall we see if it works, grown-ups?
Yes.
If you go on the grass, it will say, oh no. Thank you.
Every nightingale, everyone knows that nightingales love to sing and are known for songs.